Best extensions or add-ons for Google Drive. If you are looking for some of the best extensions or add-ons that you can use for Google Drive, this first of all depends upon your workflow and what kind of work you do. Now, the first one on the list, I have an extension called Google Docs Offline, which is usually an extension that will help you manage or save your files on Google Docs offline even when you're not connected to the internet. And later when you're connected, it will sync them automatically and it will not lose the progress. This is one of the extensions which you can get from your Chrome's web store. The second extension is I have got Checker Plus for Google Drive, and as you can see, it will quickly browse Google Drive files without opening a web page and get notifications of modifications that is made to your shared documents. So you don't have to check them manually, you'll receive notifications and all of the other options here. Last but not the least, I have got Save Emails to Drive by CloudHQ. You can also get this from your Chrome web store, which is that in just one click you can save any Gmail email to Google Drive, including with attachment. It also has auto-save feature of all the emails in a label and with multiple formats like PDF, HTML, EML or TXT format. So these are some of the best extensions or add-ons that you can use for your Google Drive. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.